Guess what happened today? Conforming mortgage maximum loan amounts, meaning the highest your loan can be while staying conforming and keeping the lowest interest rate on the market, they just went up by over $99,000. That's a huge, huge amount. So in a second, I'm going to break down exactly where they were, where they went up to, what that means to you. We're going to look at some high cost areas where the maximum conforming loan balance is even higher, and it's hundreds of thousands of dollars higher. And then if you stay to the very end, I'll let you know how you can figure out what the maximum conforming mortgage balance is in your county, in your neck of the woods. First of all, my name is Jason Eichmiller. I own and run Key Home Lending, and we are a boutique mortgage broker. We work with a handful of clients and really give them a CEO experience. We hold your hand through the very beginning of the process, making sure that you get the right program all the way to the very end where you close, you fund, you're happy, and you give us lots of referrals. So let's get into this right now. First of all, if you can see my chicken scratch on the whiteboard right here, the previous conforming maximum loan size up until today, about 2 hours ago, was $548,000. Okay, not bad, but what if you need to refinance out a $550,000 mortgage? Or what if you need to refinance out a $450,000 mortgage and get $150,000 of cash? You'd have to go to a jumbo rate, and jumbos are okay, but jumbos have higher interest rates. And nobody wants to pay a higher interest rate if they don't have to, right? So, we had 548. Then today, if we step over here, we go from 548 all the way over to $647,200. What that means is for a traditional mortgage, if you're looking to put 5% down on a purchase, because we do have 5% down conventional programs, you can get a $681,000 home by putting down, well, you'll get a loan size of $647,200, and you only have to put down the difference. That's huge. Also, look at it at the other end. Let's say you have a $400,000 mortgage, but you need $220,000 in cash out. Well, now you can get that would be a $620,000 loan size, and actually you can go all the way up to $647,000. So going from that extra $99,000 from $548 to $647 is a big, big deal. Now you can see right here, I'm going to go quickly through these here. If you have multi-unit homes, or if you're looking to purchase a multi-unit home, those amounts are even higher. For multi-units, 2 units now is $828,700. 3 units tops $1 million. That's $1,001,650 for the maximum conforming loan. That's higher than before. And if we have a 4-unit property, we're going all the way up to almost 1 1/4. We're at $1,244,850 buckarooskies. So if you have that, or if you're looking to buy that 4-unit property, you're able to do pretty well. And you can probably hear my doggies barking in the background now. I have a feeling that they're really excited, not because my kids are coming home from school. No, it's because these mortgage loan amounts are so high. They're so heavy. They're going to get, a lot of people are going to do this. They're going to get premium dog chow now. So the other thing I want to highlight, and it's right down here, it's called high cost. What that means is there are some counties in the United States that are designated as high cost areas. And that means generally, I don't know the exact equation, exactly what's in calculating it out, but if you do live in a high cost area, then your house obviously probably costs more, right? Makes perfect sense. Don't need a PhD to figure that one out. But here's what's really neat about homes in high cost areas. For a one unit property in a high cost area, remember we went from 548 to 647 too. A 1-unit property will give you a maximum loan size. Again, conforming, don't gotta go jumbo and get the best rates out there. We'll get a maximum conforming loan size of $970,800. That means that you can buy a $1 million property, put 5% down, just 5% down, and get a conforming loan. You don't have to go jumbo anymore. It's so exciting. The folks that I've spoken with in the past couple of hours are excited, and we're rolling out applications, but I wanted to put that out to you guys on YouTube. Now, big question, how do you know where you're at? Are you in a regular cost area? And I'll be honest, I'll be candid with you. Most of the counties out there are regular cost areas, okay? I just made up regular cost, but it makes sense. That's the 647, 828, 1 mil, and 1.244. But if you want to figure out if your county is a high cost county or not, this is actually, you might not be able to see here, but this is 108 pages here. I just printed out the first 4 or so, but I've got it in an Excel spreadsheet, and I'd be glad to share that with you. If you want to call me, you can give me a shout. I'll leave my cell phone here. It's actually 443-802-5923. That's one thing that we do for my clients. They actually all have my cell phone number. Also, you can email me at jason@keyhomelending.com. That's KEYHOME lending.com. And just let me know your scenario. Let me know what county you're in, and I'll let you know. I can either shoot you this entire spreadsheet, which is very easy, or I can let you know, hey, here's the maximum conforming loan balances in your neck of the woods. But if we look at it, California, for example, has a ton. If you're in Los Angeles County, San Francisco County, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, San Mateo, Contra Costa. If you're in Washington, D.C., if you're in Hawaii, there's a whole bunch of high-cost areas in Alaska. Maryland, surprise, right? I was actually born in Howard County, Maryland. Or not born, but I grew up in Howard County, Maryland. That is not one, but you've got Montgomery, Prince George's, Frederick, Charles, Calvert, a bunch more. You have a ton of counties in New Jersey, especially Jersey Shore counties, Ocean County, Cape May County, then up north. Those are all high-cost counties right there. I'm not going to bore you to death by going through every single one of these, but again, if you'd like to see what your mortgage options are, if you'd like to see if you can get up to, well, everyone can get up to 647. Again, you have to qualify by credit and income. These aren't, we still underwrite these things pretty tight. We make sure that you have enough income coming in. We make sure that your credit's good. But if you do have income, you do have a good credit score, and you have a higher value home, or if you're looking to purchase a higher value home, then you really need to do your homework and look and make sure that you're taking advantage of these. Because here's what's happening. This just came out today. Some lenders, bam, they're rolling out. The majority of the ones that I'm working with, they're going to have these all priced in and locked into their system by tomorrow. But there are some who are still going to keep that 548 through the end of the year. So you don't want to go with those guys. And it's very possible that if you talk with them on the phone, they're not going to volunteer this information. Like, hey, don't go with us till 2022 because we don't have the risk profile to take on these bigger loans. But we do, and we work with companies who do. So hopefully that makes sense. Feel free to reach out. Again, my name is Jason. I own and run Key Home Lending. My phone number is area code 443-802-5923, or you can catch me on email at jason@keyhomelending.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. And if you'd like help, I'd be more than happy to help you out. Take care of yourself.